It's a big competition between the two of us all the time.
It is. Taking classes with Andrew has... it's been a blast, honestly. It's been really fun having my son in school with me, and just watching him grow as, becoming an adult is something that I'm really happy I get to do it. I'm glad I get to see him growing as a man. I mean, he's helped me out, like with this class that we're in now, the print reading. So far it's the only class we've had together, but we have had welding classes at the same time, where we've been in the lab at the same time, and take our welds and show them to each other, or, go over to each other's booth and say, hey, you want to come look at this and tell me what you think? And
it's a great experience to be in class with my dad. I'd say on the father-son relationship, it's brought us closer together, because, we sit right next to each other and we help each other. Like today, we were both struggling finding angles for a blueprint, and we were able to go back and forth with each other to be able to say, it needs to be this at this measurement, and it helps a lot having someone I'm confident and trusting with these things.